If you have Spectrum and want Paramount Plus, the first thing to know is that Paramount Plus is not just a channel number. It is a separate streaming app. Spectrum TV does not automatically include Paramount Plus. You may see promotions or bundles in some areas, but the normal setup is a separate Paramount Plus subscription. Do not mix up Paramount Network and Paramount Plus. Paramount Network is the live cable channel in your Spectrum guide. Paramount Plus is the streaming service with its own app and account. Before choosing the device, choose the plan. Essential is the lower-cost plan with ads. Paramount Plus with Showtime adds live CBS and Showtime content. The subscription follows your Paramount account. If your Spectrum box has internet access and an app store, you may be able to install Paramount Plus directly on the box. Older cable boxes usually cannot add streaming apps. The box setup is simple when the App Store exists. Open the menu, go to the App Store area, search Paramount Plus, install it, open it, and sign in or activate with a code. If the TV shows an activation code, use your phone or laptop. Enter the code on Paramount's activation page, finish sign-in, and the app should stay logged in on that box. For many homes, a streaming stick is cleaner. Plug a Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Google TV device into HDMI. Install Paramount Plus there, and ignore the old Spectrum box entirely. Use the platform you already know: Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Google TV, and many smart TV app stores support Paramount Plus. A separate stick is easiest when the TV app is old. If you are looking for Paramount Network, use Spectrum's channel lookup because the number changes by market and zip code. But that is still the cable channel, not the streaming app. A cable login does not automatically make Paramount Plus free. Some TV Everywhere apps unlock with a provider login, but Paramount Plus is its own paid streaming subscription unless a promotion says otherwise. For sports, check the plan before game day. Paramount Plus carries major CBS sports rights, but live local CBS access is tied to the higher tier. Paramount Plus supports up to 3 simultaneous streams. Phones, TVs, consoles, and browsers all count toward that limit, and offline downloads are for mobile devices. If the app is missing from your Spectrum box, stop hunting. The box may not have an internet-connected app store. A streaming stick into HDMI is the permanent fix. If Paramount Plus opens but freezes, treat it like any streaming app. Restart the device, update the app, check Wi-Fi, and use Ethernet if the TV cabinet allows it. The best setup is practical. Use the Spectrum box only if it already has the App Store. Otherwise, use a Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Google TV device. Bottom line, Paramount Network is the Spectrum channel. Paramount Plus is the app subscription. The right path is whichever screen gives you the cleanest app store and sign-in flow. Scan the QR or open SmartTVS.org for the full Paramount Plus on Spectrum guide, including box setup, streaming sticks, channel lookup, plans, and common mistakes.